Good day everyone. I am going to discuss about special product. Special product is a product we obtained by applying the patterns or methods of multiplying polynomials. There are four patterns or methods under special product. These are the square of a binomial, square of a trinomial, sum and difference of two terms, or product of two binomials, and cube of a binomial.
Let's start with square of a binomial. So, once we said binomial, ibig sabihin, mayroon tayong expression na dalawa ang term. So, itong x, unang term, at yung 3 na pangalawang term. Then, kapag naman sinabing square, ibig sabihin, magkakaroon tayo ng exponent na 2. At kung ito ay in-expand natin, ganito ang ibig sabihin niya. So, quantity x plus 3 multiply by the quantity x plus 3. So,
Kalimitan, kapag nagmumultiply ng dalawang polynomials ay ganito ang ginagawa.
Multiplying the first term by first term. So, x times x ay equal to x squared. Then, the first term by the second term of the other quantity, magiging x times 3 ay positive 3x. Then, sumunod naman ay yung 3 times x. So, magiging 3x. Then, 3 times 3 ay positive 9. Then, pagsasamahin natin yung magkaparehas na term. So, equals x squared plus 3x plus 3x ay equals to 6x plus 9. So, therefore, ito yung ating answer. Okay.
Now, let us use the quantity x plus 3 squared to show the use of the square of a binomial.
Ang unang step sa square of a binomial ay square natin yung unang term. Okay? So, ang square ng unang term ay x squared. Yan. Sumunod na step ay imumultiply natin yung first term at second term, then times 2. Okay? So, x times 3 ay 3x, then times 2 ay 6x. So, positive 6x. So, sa third step ay i-square natin yung second term na 3. Okay? So, magiging 3 square or 3 times 3 ay equals to positive 9. So, therefore, ito yung ating answer. Let's have another example. Quantity x minus 5 squared. Okay, so sundin natin ang steps in square of a binomial. Una ay square natin yung first term. So, x magiging x squared. Pangalawa ay i-multiply natin yung first term at yung second term. So, x times negative 5 ay negative 5x, then times 2. Okay, so magiging negative 10x. And the third step is i-square natin yung second term na negative 5. So, negative 5 times negative 5 ay equals to positive 25. So, therefore, ito ang ating answer. Let's have another example. So, the quantity x plus 10 squared. Okay, so unang step, square natin yung first term. So, x squared. Pangalawang step, i-multiply natin yung first term sa second term, then times 2. So, x times 10 is equals to 10x, then times 2 ay equals to positive 20x. And the last term or the last step or the third step ay we will going to square the second term, which is 10. So, 10 times 10 ay equals to 100. Or positive 100, then this is our answer. Okay? Let us proceed with square of trinomial. So, ngayon, trinomial naman yung ating i-square. Yung trinomial ay binubuo ng tatlong terms. Ayan. So, our given is the quantity of x plus y plus z squared. Okay? So, here are the steps kung paano maisasagawa ang square of trinomial. Una, square the first term. So, first term, square natin. So, x squared. Pangalawa, square the second term. Okay? So, plus y squared. Pangatlong step ay square the third term. So, square natin yung third term. Yan. So, pang-apat na step, i-multiply natin yung first term sa second term, then times 2. So, kaya x times y ay xy, then xy times 2 ay equals to 2xy. Next is, i-multiply naman natin yung second term sa third term, then times 2. So, y times z is equals to yz times 2 ay equals to 2yz. Okay? Then, next sixth step ay i-multiply naman na natin yung unang term or the first term sa third term. Then, times 2. So, x times z is equals to xz times 2 ay equals to 2xz. Okay? Therefore, this is our answer. Yan. Try for another example. Okay, so the given is the quantity of x plus 2y plus 5 squared. Okay? So, ngayon, meron tayong dalawang variable. Yun yung x at y. Kanina, tatlo yung ating variable. Okay? Ganun pa rin naman yung magiging step ng ating square of trinomial. Una, square natin yung first term. Pangalawa, square natin yung second term. So, 2y squared. Kaya magiging 2 times 2 ay equals to 4y squared. Okay? So, third step, square naman natin yung third term, which is 5. Okay? So, plus 5 times 5 ay equals to 25. Okay? Next step ay i-multiply natin yung first term sa second term. Then, times 2. X times 2y ay equals to 2xy times 2 ay equals to 4xy. Yan. Then, next step ay i-multiply naman natin itong second term sa third term. Okay? Then, times 2. So, 2y times 5 ay equals to 10y times 2 ay equals to 20y. Okay? And next is we will going to multiply the first term to the third term times 2. Okay? So, x times 5 ay equals to 5x times 2 ay equals to 10x. Kaya, 10x. Okay? So, since ngayon, hindi arrange yung ating answer, kailangan nating i-arrange. Okay? So, yung x squared, sulat natin yung x squared plus 4y squared. Sumunod nan ay ito na, yung 4xy. So, 4xy. Sumunod, plus 10x plus 20y plus 25. Okay? So, here is our answer. So let's have another example. The given is x squared plus 3x plus 11 squared. Yan, so square of a trinomial. As you can see, tatlo pa rin yung term niya, pero iisa na lang yung kaniyang variables. But, gagamitin pa rin natin yung mga steps in using square of a trinomial. Okay? So, unang step, square natin yung first term. So, yung x squared ay equals to x to the fourth power. Pangalawa, square natin yung second term. So, 3x squared. So 3 times 3 ay equals to 9, then x squared. Sumunod, square natin yung third term na 11. So, 11 times 11 ay equals to 121. Fourth step, i-multiply natin yung first term sa second term. Then, times 2. Okay, so x squared times 3x ay equals to 3x cubed. Then, times 2 ay equals to 6x cubed. Okay? So, sa step 5 naman, i-multiply na naman natin yung second term sa third term. Then, times 2. So, 3x times 11 ay equals 33x times 2 ay equals to 66x. Okay? Then, ang last ay i-multiply natin yung first term sa third term. Then, times 2. So, x squared times 11 ay equals to 11x squared times 2 ay equals to 22x squared. Now, since iisa lang yung variable dun sa ating trinomial, titingnan natin kung may magkakaparehas pa bang term dun sa ating answer bago natin i-arrange yung ating answer. Okay? So, kung mapapansin nyo, mayroong parehas ang exponent. So, ibig sabihin, i-combine natin yung parehas ang term. Ayan. So, sulat muna natin yung pinakamataas na terms. Okay, so x to the fourth power plus yung 6x cubed plus ito, pagko-combine na natin. So, 9x squared plus 22x squared ay equals to 31x squared. Then, plus 66x plus 121. Therefore, this is our answer. Let's proceed on the sum and difference of two terms or tinatawag ding product of two binomials. Okay. So, ang palatandaan in solving sum and difference of two terms ay may makikita kayong magkaibang operation sa dalawang binomials. Okay, isang plus at isang minus. At also, kailangan magkaparehas yung kanilang variable. Katulad nito, x at x, y at y. Okay? So, para ma-solve ang ating sum and difference of two terms in easy way, ang una nating gagawin ay we're going to square the first term. Ayan, so, x squared. Then, ima-minus natin yung square ng pangalawang term, which is y. So, minus y squared. Okay? So, this is our answer. So, let's have another example. Quantity a plus b multiplied by the quantity a minus b. So, makikita nyo na magkaiba ang kanilang operation. Kaya, ang gagawin natin at magkaparehas ang kanilang variables. Kaya, ang gagawin natin ay sum and difference of two terms. Okay, so una daw ay square natin yung first term. Then, ima-minus natin yung square nung second term. So, square ng second term, which is b squared. Then, ito na yung ating answer. Okay, so let's have another example again. So, the given is the quantity of 5m plus 4n times the quantity of 5m minus 4n. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, may magkaiba ulit silang sign pero magkaparehas ang kanilang mga variables. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin ay sum and difference of two terms. Kaya, sa una na step ay square natin yung first term. So, square natin ito na, yung 5m. So, 5m squared ay equals to 5 times 5, 25, then m squared. Next daw ay sa second step, ma-minus natin yung square nung pangalawang term na 4n. So, 4n square ay equals to 16n square. So, therefore, ito yung ating answer. 25m squared minus 16n squared. Okay, so let's proceed to the fourth special products, which is called cube of binomial. Okay, so kung makikita nyo sa aking example, ang ating binomial ay x plus y. So, kung saan sila ay may dalawang term at dalawa din yung ating variable. Okay? Which is x plus and y. Okay. And pag sinabing cube, naka-raise or mayroon tayong exponent na 3. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, tatlong beses mo imumultiply yung binomial sa sarili niya. Now, so, in expanded form, yan. So, in expanded form, isusulat natin siya ng ganito, no? So, x plus y times x plus y times x plus y. Yan. So, ibig sabihin na multiply natin ng tatlong beses. Pero sa cube of a binomial, so ito nga yung pattern kung saan mas mapapabilis tayo ng pagsosolve at pagmumultiply ng mga binomials kung susundin natin yung ating mga step. Okay? So, sa step 1, i-cube natin yung first term. Kung kanina tayo ay nag-i-square, ngayon, cube the first term. Okay? So, ang first term ay x. Susulatan natin ng cube. Pangalawang step, i-square natin yung first term. Square natin yung first term. Yan. Times the second term times y. Since magkaiba sila ng variable, pwedeng ganito yung ating gawin. So, times second term times 3. Okay? So, since pare silang may imaginary 1, ilagay na lang natin yung 3. Kasi 3 times x squared y ay equals to 3 x squared y. Then, ito ay positive. Okay? So, sa third step, square naman natin yung second term na y. So, y squared. Yan. Times the first term, which is x. So, since alphabetical tayo nagsusulat, una lagi yung ating x. Then, times 3. Okay? So, since ganun nga, may imaginary 1 sila, pag i-multiply natin sila dito, inilalagay na lang natin yung 3. And plus. Okay? And the last step ay i-cube naman natin yung last or second term ng ating binomial. So, y cubed. So, therefore, this is our answer. Okay, so let's have another example of cube of a binomial. Ayan, so ganun lang din. Susundin lang natin yung mga steps. on how to apply cube of a binomial in multiplying expressions. Okay? So, number 1 step is we will going to cube the first term. So, ang first term natin is m. So, cube natin yung m. So, m cube. The second step ay square natin yung first term. Yan. Square natin yung first term times the second term na negative n, kaya magkakaroon tayo ng negative na operation kasi positive yung m, then negative yung n, positive times negative ay equals to negative. Then, ita-times natin sa 3. No? So, 3. Okay? So, third step. Square natin yung second term. Square natin yung negative n, kaya magiging positive na yung ating answer, no? Ating operation. Or plus na yung ating operation. Then, times natin dun sa first term, which is n. So, n squared, then times sa first term, then times 3. Okay? Yan. So, 3mn squared. Then, the fourth step ay i-cube natin yung second term. Okay? So, i-cube natin to. Since cube, mananatiling negative yung ating operation or sign, or ang ating operation ay minus. So, minus n cube. Okay? So, ngayon, ito na yung ating answer. Since magkaiba yung ating variable, hindi na natin siya i-arrange. Okay? So, another example, the quantity of 2x plus y cubed. Susundin pa rin natin yung ating steps. Una, i-cube natin yung first term. So, ano ba ang cube ng ating first term? So, 2x times 2x times 2x ay equals to 8x cubed. Pangalawa, square natin yung first term. So, 2x times 2x ay equals to 4x squared times the second term y. Kaya magkakaroon tayo ng 4x squared y times 3. Kaya, magiging 12x squared y. Okay? So, third step. I-square natin yung second term. Yan, square natin yung second term. Then, i-multiply natin dun sa first term na 2x. Then, times 3. So, 2 times 3 ay equals to 6. Kaya magiging 6x y squared. Okay? And the last step ay i-cube naman natin yung second term na y. Okay? So, magiging y cube. So, plus y cube. So, since magkaiba ulit sila ng kanilang variable, or magkaiba ang variable na meron sa term ng isang binomial, hindi na natin siya i-arrange. Kaya, ito na yung ating answer. Okay?